Okay, so this video is going to give you a quick introduction to the RStudio console through which we use R. So what you get when you open it is three windows like this. On the left we've got this big window called the console window, and this is where we type all our R commands. When we do that at this blue prompt arrow thing that you see down here, so for example I could say get working directory, um, and it'll tell me the results of that particular command. So that's where you do all your typing. Over here in the top right we've got the environment window. This is where there's a display of any variables that you've so far created in R. So for example, if down here I create one called A, which will be a vector of numbers like that, you'll see it up there. And you'll get a long list of all the things that you've created during your session. They'll appear there. Here, in the history window, you get a list of all the commands that you have so far used in your session and actually in previous sessions until you clear that list. And that can sometimes be handy for remembering what you've done. Down here in the bottom right, we've got the help window. And for example, if I were to use this question mark to get, let's say, some help on what the mean command does, that help will appear there. Very useful thing to remember how to use. Other things, windows that you see down here is you've got the plots window, so all plots that you do in R will appear there. Files, this is, I don't actually use this very often. This gives you the means, however, to navigate the file system on your computer. And then packages, this is where all the packages that exist in R can be downloaded, or and it's also a way of finding out what packages you've actually already got installed in your particular R on your machine. The viewer window, never use that. Okay, so there you are. There's a quick introduction to the RStudio environment.